Hey, welcome back to my channel today. Reason why I don't have a lip combo on is because I'm going to show y'all my go-to lip combo with this look of these. I love these lashes. These lashes are like my favorite. And I'm going to show y'all how to do this lip combo with this pinky nude lip combo that I've been loving. It's been my go-to lip combo, so I'm going to show y'all. First, I'll just take a lip liner, and this is the Color Workshop lip pencil. It's just a nice pink, dusty pink. I am in love with this pink. And then I'm going to take Buxom lip full on lip cream, and it's in the shade Lavender Cosmo. I've been really liking this because it just adds that nude concept, but also have like a lavender purpley fit with the pinks. But it's just perfect. It's like a gloss, but it's a cream. It's a Buxom and it feels like a lip plumper. Legit, a lip plumper. Y'all all know how to put on gloss. If you don't, that's crazy. I mean, it's not crazy, but it's kind of weird. I think everybody, even beginners, knows how to put on a lip liner and a gloss. And this is the finished lip combo. If y'all want more, I just got hair all in my lip stick. But if you don't like this kind of lip, I will recommend more of a darker, not darker, but light, but dark kind of concept to it. So thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all like it, and I'll see you in my next video.